Hi there, Hill Climb Racing 2 fans. How you guys doing today? Well, let's go check our task list and see what we got over there we can take care of tonight. Wheeling is never so fun, and then wheeling more and winning 5 races. Okay, well, let's go win 5 races, but we'll see how we do here. All right, so I'm running a little different pack this time. So I've got on the Coin Power Boost. So we need to level that bad boy up and get a lot more boost out of it, but let's see if that'll help us out. It's that with the wings taken off, if you were keeping track of the score here. And not a win. All right. Missed a perfect start. Trying to determine if the wings get me more than this coin power pack boost thing. Okay, so we got a win. 4 more for the chest. A little bit of a late start on my gas pedal there. There's the second win. Got a cup win. That's good. All right, 3 more to go to get our task done. A little Desert Cup action here. Slow on the draw again. Coin boost is not going to get me enough to do anything. And not a win. All right. Well, maybe. Yep, there we go. Got another one. I think we need one more, right? Still missed the perfect start. All right. Was it a coin boost per pack of coins or coin boost per coin? I don't know the answer to that. Oh, we're only up to 4. All right. Okay, this is Paradise Bay. This is a long one. Takes a while to get down to the boat at the other end. So let's see if we can maybe get out in front. And that's not going to help. All right. That settles that. Now let's go race the mountain and see if we can do it. I think I got used to racing that Paradise Bay with the wings and with the wings on and the power boost thing not, and just drives a little different, you know. Here I am in 4th place. Not a win. Should have went down on this one. Did not. did get the win, and then our task is complete. Looks like we got one more race to get done with the cup here. I got my perfect start that time, which is a little weird. I was able to duck under the dirt there for a second. Okay, got another win. All right, let's go check our task out because that's what we were here to accomplish. All right, yeah, the task was what we were up for, so let's take a look here. We got our 5 races, 3,000 there, 2,500 there. All right, wheeling 500 with the super diesel in the countryside. That'll be something I do off channel. And let's check our team stats. Up to 643 km for the week so far, with about 2 days to go. My dreams of 1,000. I think I'm kind of slacking off. I'm not going to make it, but we'll see. My race wins 6,782 and trying to climb. So appreciate you coming along for the race today, and would appreciate it if you could subscribe to my channel. Please do, and we'll see you in the next one. Thanks for coming along.